2007 Mazda RX-8. I'm going to be programming this OEM smart card. And I'm going to be using the Key 2 Pro Max. Okay, the customer only has the insert blade, which is how he's turning. That's how he's starting the vehicle. But he wants the actual smart card for it. So let's go to immobilizer programming. Let's look for Mazda. Let's look for the rx-8 smart key system. And let's just do smart key adding. Okay, so I already programmed the remote. Let's press OK. We're gonna back out of the menu. Now let's test it. Door. There it is. Now the vehicle should turn on without inserting the key in it. There it is. 2007 Mazda RX-8. We programmed the OEM smart card. Another one back on the road.